2 years ago, I was sworn in as your 21st governor with an overwhelming mandate of the people nga kitang misamisnon magpuyong malinawon, malambuon o malipayon. Attaining this vision is not an easy task because of the many challenges we have been facing. In previous years, we were confronted with problems on peace and order, illegal drugs, and insurgency that have affected the growth and development of our province. What have we done to achieve these goals? In our campaign against illegal drugs, we have intensified our strong partnership with our law enforcement agencies and stakeholders, such as the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, the Philippine National Police, and the communities to eradicate the source of illegal drugs and its harmful and destructive effects of the society. As a result, 430 nato kabarangays are already declared as drug-cleared barangays out of 470 affected barangays. Our strong collaboration with the Philippine National Police did not fail us, as crime statistics have shown that the average monthly crime rate in Misamis Occidental has reduced from 24.52% in 2016 to 16.34% in 2023 and 13.64% in the first half of 2024. Atong pasalamatan ang atong Philippine National Police for your efforts of helping our province in the maintenance of peace and order. In our effort to achieve peace settlement of insurgency problems towards lasting peace, we strongly collaborate with the Philippine Army, various stakeholders and communities, which resulted in the declaration of our province as insurgency-free, with no less than our President, Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., gracing the formal declaration on September 27 in Tangog City. Ato nagyong nakapot ang atong goal na mahimong usa ka insurgency-free province. Part of our continuing effort to support our former rebels. Ato silang butangan o usa ka housing project dito sa Don Victoriano. This project can also be one of our tourist attraction, as this will commemorate our history of peace building and victory against insurgency. Thank you for all of our development partners.